Hello, this is Kendall Welch, and today I'm going to go over a third grade activity over density with my students. We already know that density is a word to describe how much space an object takes up in relation to the amount of matter or substance an object has. So the objects we're going to be using today with this experiment are fall leaves, an apple, an acorn, a mini pumpkin, a rock, and a pine cone. So the objects we're going to need for you to be able to do this experiment is a jar filled with water, a recording sheet, and a pencil. Now you should already have all of this at your desk, and you will be in groups of 5 of 4. So you're going to go to your desk now and sit down and wait for further instructions. So to do this experiment, you are going to drop one fall object into the water that's in the jar. You're going to observe the object in the water and see if it's floating or sinking. Then you're going to record what you observe from that object in the water. Is it sinking fast? Is it sinking slow? Is it sinking at all? Is it floating? What is the size of it? Does it have anything to do with why it's floating or sinking? What's the weight of it? How long does it take to sink if it's sinking? Do these steps for each item one at a time, okay? We're not going to put all of them in at one time because then we're not going to be able to get an accurate response for each object. So it's very important that we only do one at a time. After completing this activity, we're all going to come back together as a whole and we're going to talk about it. Why does this activity have to do with density? Why is it important that we did this? So after that, that's what we're going to do. So make sure again that we're doing this one at a time. And you're using the objects that were listed in front of you, and you're recording your responses on the paper, so we can go over it later, okay? And that's the activity.